Mastering English Fluency, a comprehensive guide to learning with joy and confidence. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start our journey. Today I want to dive into the something incredibly important, that is how to learn English effectively and enjoyably. Learning English doesn't have to be daunting task. In fact, it can be fun, engaging, and even easy if you approach it the right way. I will share some practical tips and personal stories to help you on your journey. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to talk about a story of the power of listening, my personal story, which is when I was younger, I didn't know a word of English. I felt scared and overwhelmed, unsure of where to begin. But then I discovered the magic of listening. I started listening to English stories every single day. At first, the words sounded like a jumble of unfamiliar sounds, but slowly things began to change. The words became clearer and my fear started to fade away. Listening became my foundation for learning. Listening is one of the most powerful tools for language acquisition. When you listen, you expose yourself to new words, phrases, and sentence structures. You learn how to words are pronounced and how they fit together in conversation. Whether it's stories, songs, podcasts, or even the news, listening to English daily can significantly boost your understanding and fluency. Second of all, the other factor that plays important role is you have to embrace mistakes. They say practice makes perfect, and it's absolutely true. When I was learning English, I made it a habit to practice every day. I spoke in English even when I made mistakes, and trust me, I made plenty of them. But here is the thing, mistakes are not our enemy, they are our teachers. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. So don't be afraid to speak English every day, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Third of all, the most important thing is to start simple. And title of this topic is The Joy of Reading. Reading is another fantastic way to improve your English. Start with simple books, especially with pictures. These books are great because they help you understand the story through visuals, making it easier to grasp new words and phrases. As you read, you will naturally expand your vocabulary and learn how to use words in context. I remember reading a simple story about a lost book. It was a short and straightforward tale, but I loved it. Through that story, I learned so many new words. The more I read, the more my confidence grew. So make reading a regular part of your routine. It's a fun and effective way to improve your English. Thirdly, writing. Third important thing is writing. A great way to confidence. Writing is just as important as reading, speaking, or listening. When you write, you practice your using the words you know and learn how to structure sentences. Start small. Write about your day, your family, or your dreams. The more you write, the better you will be get. When I was learning, I kept a small notebook. Every day I wrote about my school, my friends, and my goals. I made countless mistakes, but I learned from each day. Writing helped me become more confident in my abilities. So grab a notebook and start writing today. It is a simple yet powerful way to practice. Therefore, you should have to keep it usual. Third, lastly, watching videos learn through graphics. Watching English videos is another excellent way to improve your English. Whether it's cartoon movies or TV shows, videos expose you to real life language uses. You will hear how native speakers pronounce words, use expressions, and engage in conversation. I remember watching a cartoon about a funny dog. It made me laugh, but it also taught me new words and phrases. Watching videos not only improved my listening skills but also made listening and learning enjoyable. So, incorporate videos into your learning habit. They are both entertaining and educational. Next important point is talking to others. Practice makes progress. Trust me, speaking with others is one of the best ways to practice English. If you have friends who speak English, talk to them regularly. If you don't, you can find language partners online. There are countless people out there who are also learning English and would love to practice with you. I had a friend who was fluent in English. We talked every day and she helped me correct my mistakes. Those conversations were invaluable because they taught me new words, improved my pronunciation, and boosted my confidence. So find someone to talk to. It's a great way to practice and learn. And the other factor that helps you in your English is patience and persistence, which is the key to success. Learning a new language takes time and it is important to be patient with yourself. Don't expect to become fluent overnight. Celebrate small victories and along the way, whether it's learning a new word, finishing a book, or having a successful conversation. Every step forward is progress. There were times when I felt frustrated and wanted to give up, but I reminded myself to be patient and keep going. Slowly but surely, I saw improvement. So stay patient and persistent. You will get there step by step. Let's talk about the another important thing, which is using a dictionary and making it your best friend. A dictionary is an essential tool for any language learner. Whether you come across a new word, look it up, learn its meaning, pronunciation, and how to use it in daily life. I used to carry a small dictionary with me everywhere. Every time I heard a new word, I looked it up and tried to use it. This habit helped me expand my vocabulary significantly. Therefore, I also recommend you to keep a dictionary with yourself. Games and fun activities is the another topic, and learning doesn't have to be boring. So, playing games in English is a fun and an effective way to practice. Word games, puzzles, and quizzes can help you learn new words and improve your English skills. I used to play a word game with my friends where we had to find as many words as possible. It was a fun way to learn, and I picked up many new words along the way. Therefore, you should make it a daily habit. Thinking in English a game changer for you. One of the most effective ways to improve your fluency is to think in English. At first, it might feel strange, but over time, it becomes natural. When you think in English, you practice forming sentences and using vocabulary without translating in your head. This skill will make speaking and writing much easier. Therefore, you should start thinking today, setting goals, stay focused and motivated. Setting goals is a great way to stay motivated. Start with small, achievable goals like learning 5 new words a day or reading one page of a book. As you reach your goals, you will feel a sense of accomplishment that will keep you going. I set small goals for myself, like learning 10 new words a week. Reaching these goals gave me the confidence to aim big things. Therefore, reviewing and reflecting is important. They solidify your learning skills. Reviewing what you have learned is crucial. Go over your notes, reread old writings, or listen to the same story again. The more you review, the better you will remember. I used to review my notes every week and it helped me see how much I had improved. The other thing that I also recommend you is to staying positive. Believe in yourself. Learning a new language can be challenging, but staying more positive makes a world of difference. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn. When you feel discouraged, remind yourself why you started and how far you have come. A positive mindset will keep you motivated and focused. Therefore, you have to be confident. Embracing mistakes is your best teachers. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, bro. They are natural part of the learning process. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. I made countless mistakes when I was learning, but I didn't let them stop me. Instead, I learned from them and kept moving forward. Don't give up, just enjoying the journey, make learning fun. Finally, remember to enjoy the journey. Learning English is an adventure filled with new discoveries. Find joy in the process, whether it's tough reading, watching videos, or talking to friends. The more you enjoy it, the easier it becomes. Final thought is that keep growing and shining. In a nutshell, learning English is like planting a garden. Every word you learn is a seed, and every sentence you form is a blooming flower. With patience, care, and dedication, your garden will grow and grow. Celebrate every small victory, stay curious, and keep growing. You have got this. Now, I would love to hear from you. What are your favorite tips for learning English? How do you stay motivated? And share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and grow together on this incredible journey. Thank you for being part of this beautiful adventure.